Hello, hello. Good Tuesday morning to you. And Kitti Andrews with Fluent and Fabulous, helping you to elevate your English the fun and easy way, because English is a tough language, and you want to be able to not have a whole lot of information thrown at you at once, which is why we give you the one word per day, Monday to Friday, and all of these words come from the Barron's IELTS 600 essential words that you need to succeed on this test. And that's what I do, is I help people to get their best possible score on the IELTS. So yeah, we'll talk more about that in a couple minutes. Let's jump right into the word of the day, shall we? And that word today we've got a simple one for you today, is cuisine. Yeah, the spelling is down below, and it's used as a noun only. And basically it is a style or method of cooking, usually typical of a particular country, a particular region, or even a restaurant itself. And here's an example sentence. Much of Indian cuisine is based on rice, lentils, and wheat. So we're talking about Indian cooking here and what the components of it are. You could do this for French, for Chinese, for American, for that matter, Spanish certainly. Most countries have their own style of cuisine. Sound good? Okay, look forward to seeing you tomorrow for the word of the day. And if you have any questions about these words or my programs, which will help you to get that better score that you are looking for IELTS, to get your permanent residency in Canada, and just speed you on your way to that better job, better university, better life, just reach out. The information is down below, the text, the WhatsApp, the email. So just reach out, and until tomorrow, I invite you to be fluent and fabulous. Bye for now.